Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about sin 3x equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin x to the power of 3. So we put this one go in here. Next, we divide both sides by sin x. Next, we divide both sides by cosine x squared on numerator and denominator. So we have 3 over cosine x squared and 4 sin x squared divided by cosine x squared. This one we change for 1 plus tan x squared. This one we change for tan x. So we have 3 plus 3 tan x squared. And this one we have negative tan x squared. This one we change for secant of x squared. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x du. We got about secant of x squared dx. So we put this one into u and we have u squared. This one we change for du. Next, this is about identity. So I will put about the square root of number 3 minus u multiplied by the square root of number 3 plus u. Next, I will multiply by number 2 with the square root of number 3 on numerator and denominator. The reason I need to put this number in here because I want to create the factor to divide this one and this one. So we have 2 of the square root of number 3. We can separate them in here. This one we put negative u. Later that we put positive u. So this one divided by this one and this one divided by this one. So we have 2 fractions in here. The first one 1 over this one and the second one. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of this one in here, we have ln of the absolute value of the square root of number 3 plus u. the integration of this one we have negative, just like this. About u, that's e about tan x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.